Welcome to the Intro to Fabric course. In today's world, data is often called the new oil, but for many businesses, managing it has become a nightmare of complexity, where tools and information are scattered like house materials in different cities. This course is your clear and practical guide to Microsoft Fabric, a unified end-to-end platform that brings every tool your business needs into one easy-to-use home. We will start by exploring OneLake, the online OneDrive for data, which acts as a single foundation to store all your information without the need for constant copying. You will discover specialized workloads like Data Factory for moving data and Power BI for storytelling, and see how the integrated AI Copilot lets you ask questions in plain English to get instant insights. Whether you are a business leader or a technical engineer, this journey will show you how to collaborate across teams and turn raw data into meaningful action. Let's get started. In the modern world, data is often called the new oil. It powers every decision we make, from the movies we stream to the complex logistics of global shipping. But for most businesses, managing that data has become a nightmare of complexity. Imagine trying to build a house, but your wood is in one city, your nails are in another, and your blueprints are written in a language only 3 people in the world can understand. This is exactly the problem Microsoft Fabric was built to solve. It is an all-in-one unified platform that brings every tool a business needs into a single, easy-to-use home. Think of it like the transition from old physical cameras and cables to modern services like iCloud or Google Photos. You no longer have to worry about the infrastructure or the technical plumbing. The service handles all of that for you. Fabric removes the need to manually stitch together different apps from different vendors. Instead, it offers a single AI-powered environment where everyone, from high-level executives to technical engineers, can collaborate. It is one single destination to store, clean, and visualize your information, transforming raw data into the insights you need to move forward. To understand why Microsoft Fabric is a true revolution, we first have to look at the challenges companies have struggled with for over a decade. Historically, valuable data has been trapped in silos, making it incredibly difficult for teams to access or manage. Every single day, we generate more data than the day before, creating a literal flood of information from social media posts, credit card swipes, and delivery truck sensors. This isn't just a volume problem. It's about the incredible velocity at which data moves. On top of this, we face a diversity gap. Data comes in different shapes, from neat spreadsheets to unstructured video files and PDF invoices. Because technical engineers and business managers often use completely different tools, a skills gap prevents them from collaborating effectively. In the past, using separate tools to collect, store, and analyze data created a data tax, a massive loss of time and money spent just moving information between systems. Fabric finally eliminates this tax by putting everything in one unified place. Fabric is built on a very clever 2-pillar system: OneLake for storage and Workloads for the tools. To keep it simple, think of OneLake as the OneDrive for all your company's data. In the old days, every department from accounting to sales had its own separate data lake. If marketing wanted to see sales numbers, they had to make a copy. But with Fabric, there is only one lake. Everyone looks at the same information through different windows, which means no more expensive copying and one single version of the truth for everyone. It even uses an open format called Delta Parquet. Think of it as a PDF for data that almost any software can read. And the real magic? It's called a shortcut. You can point to data sitting in other clouds like AWS or Google without moving a single byte into Microsoft's system. It's a massive breakthrough that simplifies your technical plumbing, reduces complexity, and saves a fortune. If OneLake is the foundation of our data house, the workloads are the specific rooms where the real work gets done. Think of Data Factory as your courier service. Its job is to head out into the world, grab data from websites or old databases, and bring it safely into the house. Next, we have Synapse Data Engineering, the builder who takes that messy, raw data and transforms it into neat, organized tables. For the researchers, the data warehouse acts as a highly organized library where users can ask complex questions using SQL to find exactly what they need. But data isn't always static. Real-time intelligence acts as your watchman, monitoring live streams from sensors or websites to trigger instant alerts the second something goes wrong. Finally, Power BI is the storyteller. It takes all that hard work and turns it into beautiful, interactive dashboards. With its new Direct Lake superpower, it reads data instantly from the foundation, making your reports faster and more up-to-date than ever before. You can't talk about technology today without mentioning artificial intelligence, and Microsoft has woven its AI, known as Copilot, into every single corner of Fabric. For many people, this is the most exciting part of the platform because it finally removes the technical barriers to analyzing your data. In the past, if you wanted to get answers, you had to master complex coding languages like SQL or Python. Now, you can simply talk to your data in plain English. You can ask, show me a chart of our sales in London over the last 3 months, and Copilot will build that chart for you on the spot. It goes beyond just visuals, too. It helps you understand the why behind your business. If you ask why expenses spiked in October, Copilot analyzes the details to suggest reasons like increased shipping costs or specific large purchases. Even for technical engineers, Copilot acts as a pair of expert eyes, writing the routine code so they can focus on the big picture. It truly brings the power of AI to every user in your organization. Fabric is designed to be a truly collaborative space, breaking down the traditional walls between technical techies and business suits. For business users, there's no need to code. They simply use a web browser to view reports or ask Copilot natural language questions. Data analysts use the platform to slice and dice information to find growth trends, while data engineers build the essential pipes that keep data flowing smoothly. Even data scientists find a home here, building predictive models to anticipate future customer behavior. In the real world, this collaboration solves everyday problems. In retail, Fabric stitches together data from cash registers and websites to create a unified customer view. This ensures stores stop showing you ads for a shirt you already bought in person. In healthcare, the platform can monitor heart monitors across hundreds of hospital rooms. If a patient's heart rate hits a dangerous level, Fabric automatically sends an instant alert to a nurse's mobile device. Fabric isn't just a tool, it's a way to turn raw data into immediate, meaningful action. In this course, we've explored how data, often called the new oil, can quickly become a nightmare of silos and complexity for modern businesses. We learned that Microsoft Fabric is the solution, a unified, all-in-one platform that acts like Google Photos for your enterprise data, handling the technical plumbing so you can focus on the water, the actual insights. We broke down the 2 pillars of this architecture, OneLake, the OneDrive for data that serves as a single foundation for the entire company, and the specialized workloads like Data Factory and Power BI that act as the rooms where work gets done. You also saw how the AI Copilot revolutionizes analytics, allowing anyone to build charts or find trends by simply asking questions in plain English. Ultimately, Fabric is about collaboration, bridging the gap between technical engineers and business leaders to turn raw data into immediate, meaningful action. Ready to master these concepts? Click on the link in the description to download your comprehensive revision notes and start future-proofing your data strategy today.